This is the battle tournament. So these are our contestants. And these are fidget spinners. So just a new, yeah. Contestant 1. The golden fidget spinner. The contestant 2. Emoji spinner. It's broken. Oh my gosh. Finally, the silver fidget spinner. And now let's see which one of these beauties are the best. First up, we got the golden fidget spinner. Ready, set, wait, go. It's going fast. Very fast. We're just doing a practice right now. How long is it going to take? Next we got the broken fidget spinner. I'm going to turn it around. As you can see, I'm here. And this is what this baby could do. As you can see, it's not that good. Next. The silver fidget spinner. It's going super fast. Is it gonna ever end? Well, leave in the comments below which one was your favorite and which one spin the fastest. I think it was this one. In the comments below, what do you think? Bye. Okay guys, this is just showing you what these fidget spinners was. It was a silver fidget spinner. I got it from a free kid. He gave it to me. He said it was buried. That's how I got this guy. Then how I got this guy. He's not mine, he's Jake's. As you can see, yeah. It's Jake's, and he left it here, so last time he came, I lost it, and then my mom found it again. And next time he comes, we're going to give it to him. So, yeah. And then this one. My first very fidget spinner. I got it after, like, a birthday party. A communion. And I went to 7-Eleven right when I got it. I opened it up. And right when we got home, this piece flicked off and it's still in my dad's car, and we haven't got to find it. So that's why it's doing terrible at spinning. It's also very hard, but no matter what I spin, not that.